So viewers, this is where we store our pigs. There are 19 pigs here. As you can see them, they're feeding. They move the oink sound. You can see the different colors. As you can see there very well, the different colors of pigs. Uh, there are different sizes. Different sizes of body. As you can see, some are small, some are big. As you can see, some are fat, some are still thin. Yes, they like feeding on this food. As you can see there, they like chapari, they like maize, they like any kind of food they eat. So this is the place where they eat. This is the place where the water is. Yes, the water is there. This one is the shade of where they are placed so that they may not escape. Yes, as you can see, one is here. These are two pigs here. They are coming closer to me. As you can see, some are still there. They like feeding a lot. Some are over here. This one is trying to lick my feet here. As you can see, the pigs are good. They are friendly. As you can see, they love food a lot. This one is over here. The other one is over here. They remove the ink sound. Yes, even they move waste called pellets. They like dropping pellets, and also some urinate. So this is the where they are sheltered. They feed till they grow. You can find the pig which is too large, and they become fat. Their product is some of you like eating sausages. They come from this sauce. You like eating pork. It comes from the pigs. As you can see, they're still feeding. They love feeding a lot. If you don't feed them on time, you can find it feeding on other ones. Even they like playing at each other. You can see some have black spots. Some are pink. Yes, as you can see, even this the one there, you can see the black one. There are different type of colors, as you can see. Yes, these ones are still feeding. But this one here that I don't know if it got sick or what. It is not normal. So these are the pigs. There are 19. Some are in the other side, which there are other two there, which they're already big. Pig is there almost like 9 months. Yes.